Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by turning the Casio on and confirming the screen is stable. Once done, press Shift then the CLR key. On most Casio models, CLR is the secondary function above the 9 key to open the clear menu. You want the memory-related choice, so watch for options labeled Memory or M. If your model shows numbered choices, note which number corresponds to memory. You'll select that next. This gets you directly into the right menu to remove the M value. You now pick the memory option you opened. Press the number or soft key that corresponds to memory or M. The calculator then asks which memory to reset. If you see a list of variables, navigate to the entry labeled M and select it. Confirm by pressing equals or the execute key when asked. If you prefer wiping every stored value, choose the All option instead. This ensures no residual values remain. Make sure you really want to remove them before confirming, because it's irreversible. Finish by verifying the memory is gone. Press RCL then the M key to recall the M value. You should see 0 or a blank response. If M still shows a value, power cycle the calculator and repeat the clear sequence. Sometimes settings need a restart. If the memory stubbornly persists, use the full reset option in the CLR menu or perform a manual reset per your model's guide. But back up any needed programs or constants first, because a full reset will erase everything.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.